you had any doubt whether the largest Porsche ever built would abandon the Porsche heritage, just look into the eyes of the all-new Cayenne, and you'll see the 911 in Boxster. Climb into the luxurious cabin and get behind the wheel of the 340 horsepower S or 450 horsepower turbo and experience the feeling of Le Mans racing. The Cayenne is the most sophisticated Porsche with its 6-speed Tiptronic transmission and the all-new Porsche traction management 4-wheel drive technology that performs flawlessly regardless of paved or unpaved terrain. If more ground clearance is needed, an optional air suspension system is available on the Cayenne S and is standard on the Cayenne Turbo. All Cayennes are equipped with front, side, and curtain airbags. An additional standard feature on the Cayenne Turbo includes bi-xenon headlights, an electrically adjustable heated steering wheel, and Porsche Park Assistance technologies. The off-road capabilities of the Cayenne are only exceeded by the on-track feats of the 911s. The Porsche Cayenne has set new standards and has raised the bar for the luxury SUV market.